Hello and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to be reviewing the Reveiw Discovery H20 boot, but before we do, roll the credits. Hello, welcome back to the channel. As you can see, I've got the Discovery H20 boot here. It's brand new, it's never been outside, straight out of the box, still got the tags on. So what can we say about this boot? First of all, this boot is most probably one of the most high quality boots I've ever purchased. It's a very stiff carcass. It feels almost like a ski boot when you've got it on. I'm hoping that it's not going to equate to an uncomfortable fit. All the paneling is very high quality. It's like a suede leather on the outside. The stitching is absolutely faultless. You have an ankle protector on both sides, as you can see. Inside the boot, very plush, very nice, and you have this inner thick padded tongue. And with this boot there are no laces, there are no buckles, and it actually uses a boa system. Now basically you press the wheel down and then you tighten, and as you can see, as you tighten it, it tightens the boot up all the way around your ankle, and then to release it you just click it out and you can loosen the boot to get it on and off. Very clever system. The boot, as the name describes, it is a waterproof boot. I haven't tested it yet, but I am expecting good things of this boot. Look wise, I suppose it's not everybody's cup of tea. It does look quite strange looking for a motorcycle boot. It almost looks more like a mountaineering boot or a walking boot. At the back of the boot you've got this flex panel here, which I suppose as it gets broken in will give it more flex so that it doesn't rub the back of the heel. There's nice detailing on the inside. There is like a diamond packet, like embossed pattern on the inside with the Reveiw logo. Looks very nice, very plush. There is a handle at the back to help you pull the boots on and off. Sole wise are very rugged. You know, there's good grip on there. You're going to get good grip on slippy surfaces such as mud or wet grass. Velcro fastening at the side, pretty standard with most boots. And other than that, the way that the sole is bonded to the actual boot looks very high quality. I can't see any holes or gaps where I would imagine water is going to ingress inside the boot. So I can't really tell you much else. It is a very expensive boot. I am expecting good things of this boot. So as soon as I've got out there and put some miles on the road, I will let you know the outcome. Stay tuned.